Splash, 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 the ocean's wide, home to creatures who swim and hide. Fish have fins to help them glide in the water side by side. Octopus has 8 strong arms. It can change color and use its charms. It squirts out ink to run away, to stay safe and hide all day. Crabs walk sideways on the sand, with big claws to help them stand. Jellyfish drift with gentle grace. Some can stay safe in place. Seahorses swim upright slow. Daddy carries babies, don't you know? Turtles have shells that keep them strong. They swim the seas all day long. Starfish have arms, 5 or more. If one breaks, it grows some more. Whales sing songs loud and deep. Their calls travel through the deep. Coral reefs are home so bright for colorful fish and plants in light. Underwater plants make oxygen here, helping fish and animals near. Splash, 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 now you know about the sea and how creatures grow under the waves so wild and free, a learning world beneath the sea.